Hi y'all, Billy here. Welcome to the Messy Studio. I figured it was about time to do a channel intro, so people coming to my channel might have an idea of the things they can expect to see out of the Messy Studio from time to time. Although I'm not a huge fan of labels, I would consider myself a maker. Although by contemporary definitions that I've seen lately, makers are those who do woodworking, turning, etc., but also incorporate CNC machines or laser engravers, which is in essence a CNC machine. But I don't have any of those. I don't have room for them to start with. I wanted a laser engraver for quite some time, but maybe one day. For now, I'm satisfied with the tools that I have because I really don't have room for anything else. So what is it that I do? I fell in love with woodworking when I was in high school. So the vast majority of the things that you're going to see on this channel are just exactly that, woodworking of one nature or another. My particular passion right now is turning, specifically segmented pieces. And I think I like segmented turning so much because it actually marries the two concepts of flat work, which I've done for 30 years, and turning, which I started doing about 12 years ago. Started in pins and then quickly moved up to bowls and hollow forms. And of course, various different spindle things like snowmen and angels, etc., Christmas trees. But my real passion is just woodworking. I love wood. I love the wood. I love wood grain. I love the way it looks. I love the variations that you get, not only among species, but within a particular species. I'll cut two pieces of live oak and they don't look anything alike, but they're just wild. So that's my thing. But there's more than just woodworking. I started tooling leather about 40 years ago. And here you see just two of the pieces that I've done over the last 40 years. I actually did those probably 30 years ago. I don't do that much anymore. I've still got all my tools, and I will do some again. I usually do leather tooling just for me because it's been my experience, though, while I have sold a few items here and there over the years, the time involved versus what the market's willing to bear, it's not worth my time. It's worth my time for me to do it for myself because I know what my time's worth, and if I really want something, I'll just do it. That'll be far and few between if you see anything like that on my channel. Primarily, you're going to see woodworking of one sort or another, either me making, I guess we could call it a little chest of drawers that I'm going to build to go under my mustard monster to keep my chucks and all the associated jaws with them, and other turning tools, other chucks like drill chucks, my collet chucks, etc. Those are going to go from this cabinet to open it up for space for all my router bits and things, to put all of my turning tools in this cabinet down there that I'm going to build very soon. So I will be doing some flat work. Other kinds of flat work that you will see me do from time to time are things like these post office drop box coin banks that I made by request for one of my wife's co-workers. I also have one in the works. I haven't finished it. I did all of these before I started the YouTube channel. My wife's sister is a letter carrier, and she's going to be retiring in a few years, and I'm going to make one for her because I think it'll be something special that she'll really like. So you'll see that when it comes along. You'll see my segmented turnings. You'll see me blow up mesquite hollow forms. Oh wait, you've already seen that. You'll see me cut through the bottom of a three-sided box. You'll probably see more pins, particularly segmented pin blanks I'm going to make, or special pin blanks using inlays. that's the kind of thing that I gravitate to. I get tired of turning those little bitty round cylinders out of a solid piece of wood or solid piece of resin. It just doesn't thrill me. So if I can make them a little more ornate, I tend to do that. So what else are you likely to see? Any number of things, bowls, vases, etc. If there's anything particular somebody wants me to try, yeah, I'm game for that too, maybe. You just never know around here. So that's what I do. That's what you're going to see. Woodworking in various forms or another, either flat work or turning, or a marriage of the two. You'll see some scroll sawing, because I do some of that too. I want to get in more and more involved with that. I recently saw a few videos on sign carving, power carving using a router. That looked very intriguing, and I think I'm going to try a little bit of that as well. So you'll probably see some of that too. The scroll sawing I'm not nearly good enough at yet, but with practice, and that's what it takes with all woodworking is practice. But the instant gratification kind of thing for turning is more my style. I think I have ADD. So come along with us. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Share with your friends. And you never know what's going to happen around here. We might get into something all kinds of weird, because I do a little bit of everything. I hope some of what I've mentioned, some of you find intriguing or at least interesting enough to come along and watch and join us. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Let your friends know. You never know what kind of silliness we're going to get into here in the Messy Studio. Y'all come back. Have a great day.